This tiramisu took me 24 hours to make. Well, more like 15 minutes. Rest of the time, I'm just waiting for it to be ready. All you need to do is make 1.5 to 2 cups of room temperature coffee. Set it aside for now. We will use this later on. In a large bowl, add 8 ounces or 225 grams of heavy cream, and using a hand or a stand mixer, whip it until it forms stiff peaks. Then add 100 grams of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 8 ounces or 225 grams of mascarpone cheese. Mix everything until it's fully combined. You will notice it's much thicker and denser than the whipped cream alone. Next up, you'll need an 8-inch by 8-inch pan, the cream mixture, ladyfingers, and the coffee we made earlier. Dip the ladyfingers in coffee and cover the base of the entire pan. Do not soak them for too long or they will break apart and get mushy. All you need to do is a quick in and out. Now take half of the cream mixture and layer it on top of the ladyfingers. Make sure to cover the entire pan. Repeat the whole process again. Place additional ladyfingers and a final layer of cream at the very top. Now you can either sift the cocoa powder on top and let it chill for 4 to 6 hours, which is what I usually do. However, this time I'll put this in the fridge for a day and then add the cocoa powder later on. Alright, it has been 24 hours since we put this in the fridge and it's time to add a layer of cocoa powder. It doesn't matter what type of powder you use, it can be Dutch process or just regular. You can add more or less, just depends on what you like. And there you have it, a quick and easy tiramisu recipe. Generally you would add eggs, but that's something I'll make later on. If you like this recipe and want to see more, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That's all I have for today. See you in the next one.